day, regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting on my new set of press-on nails. If you didn't see how I took off my first set of luxury press-on nails, it should be on the info card so you can check that out. So with the first time I applied my press-on nails, I used both the adhesive tabs and Gorilla Glue, and I kept them on for almost 2 weeks, like a day shy of 2 weeks, and it was super hard to take them off, which is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing if you want to keep your nails on for, you know, 4 or 5 weeks or something, but I wanted to be able to change my nails a bit more frequently than that. So that was not very easy. So this time around, I'm not gonna use the Gorilla Glue, only because it's a super strong hold and I don't want something that strong. So I think I might just do the adhesive tabs here and just like a dot of this Kiss maximum speed nail glue. Like just put a dot on there. So the nails that I'm gonna apply this time are from The Nail Shop, and I showed you guys these briefly in my press-on removal video. So these are a fall set, and these nails are from TheNailShopbySB. I found them on Instagram by just searching the hashtag press-ons. So I told you in that video they had some issues in their office or something, so they had to send these nails separately from the pinky nails. They told me ahead of time, but then I got something in the mail. They sent me a sizing kit instead of my pinky nails. So I was kind of getting a little bit frustrated, so I inboxed them, and they're gonna be sending me like an extra pair of press-ons because of the inconvenience. So these nails are more expensive than the first set that I got from Impressive Nails. So I was expecting them to be a lot more, you know, on top of it with their shipping and stuff. So, but I do appreciate them like sending me an extra set of press-on nails to rectify the situation. And those are on the way. So I ordered two or three pairs from this company again. And then I recently ordered, I think, 3 pairs from Impressive Nails because I think she does really well and her nails are affordable. So definitely check out those. And then I have some on the way from a company in Charlotte, Nails by Red. So shout out to her for sending those to me. So I've been buying a lot of press-on nails, but a few companies are reaching out, which I don't want to get overwhelmed with, like, you know, sponsored nail videos and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply these today. These are so pretty, and I want to be able to reuse these, so I'm gonna take it easy with what I choose to apply them. So I'm gonna be applying my nails to my right hand first because I use my less dominant hand to do that, and it's usually kind of difficult to do. Let me see how these fit. See if that fits. Yep. Yeah, but you want to start with your, I'm gonna do my pinkies last because I always use them for something. These pinkies are so pretty. These are super thick, like super thick, not flimsy at all. We don't have any overhang or anything. I'm just gonna put a dot of glue on here, just a dot. We'll see how this goes. And I already prepped my nails ahead of time, like push the cuticles back and all that. Oh, this pinky nail is so beautiful. Look at that, y'all. How gorgeous. How gorgeous is that? Ah, that's so pretty. Now I'm gonna speed up the rest of it because, you know, once you've seen one, you've seen all of them. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Alright, so I have all the nails on except for my thumbs. So it was a lot easier, of course, to apply this because I was using my dominant hand. And when I was looking back at these nails, they were kind of lifting, especially my pinky and my ring finger on this side. So what I did over here that was different was I applied the nail glue directly to my nail, just a light coat all over my nail. I put the adhesive tab in there, and then I just put a little bit of glue in there, and then I applied it, and then I held it for like 30 seconds, and it feels very secure. These nails they feel pretty thick, which is really good, especially this. I mean, because it has all those crystals and stuff, it's super thick. But yeah, I don't want to have the super hold of my Gorilla Glue, but I do want a good hold because these nails, they're so pretty. I think I want to wear these for Thanksgiving, so hopefully they can last for 2 weeks. But I got a lot of stuff to do, like washing wigs and all kinds of stuff, so hopefully they can hold up through all of that. If not, I'll just have to reapply any that pop off. So I just put a little bit on my nail, not too much because I don't want it to bleed out. Guys, so here is my fall inspired set of press-ons from the TheNailShopbySB. If I have a link, I'll put them in the description box if you guys are interested in these. After I did the technique of putting this kiss glue on my actual nail and on the press-on nail, they feel a lot more secure, like they're not bending back to where I could see my natural nail. So I don't think it's gonna have the same amount of hold as the Gorilla Glue because that is just super strong. And you can still use Gorilla Glue. Like, some people were telling me not to use it, but I've seen tons of other people use it. If you want a temporary hold, don't use the Gorilla Glue because it's gonna be really hard to get off. But if you're gonna be keeping it on for like a month or a little bit longer, then I think the Gorilla Glue should be fine. It was just really hard to take off with the Gorilla Glue, and because I used that and I wanted to take it off early, instead of, you know, doing the hot water or the warm soapy water thing, I had to use acetone, which ruined that set, so I had to throw that set out because it was ruined after I used the acetone. So I would go with something a little bit more lightweight, like the Kiss glue or the adhesive tabs. You can just do the adhesive tabs only, but I don't feel like it's that secure at the top. So just keep that in mind. But these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to see if I can keep these on until Thanksgiving. Or if they pop off, I'm probably just gonna put them back on for Thanksgiving, because these are so pretty. Like, you have the simple matte of these, but then you got that pinky. That is so pretty. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Tell me down below, do you wear press-ons? Tell me some places that you shop. I'm gonna, every time I change my set, I'll just come on and show you guys. And since I just had a removal video, I'm not gonna show me removing them all the time, because that removal video is, I think that should be enough. But maybe I do need to have a separate one just to see how I take off these, since it's not the Gorilla Glue. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you have subscribed and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.